You might choose to add a navigation bar at the top of your web page that will display your logo and the links to some of the other pages on your site. To do so, you can start by adding a one-column row and clicking Add Element and scroll down until we see Navigation Menu in blocks. Now we can see a pre-made container has been placed that we can edit. There's the logo, your business name, and a section of page links on the other side that you can customize. To add your logo, you'll want to scroll down into the brand logo configuration and click the button to add a photo. Select the image you would like to use if you've already uploaded your image file, or you can upload using the upload button. Just click upload and search for the file that you would like to upload. Once you have the picture that you want to use, click the three dots and click get link and come back to the brand logo and paste the URL. Now we can see the logo has been added where the image placeholder was. If we would like to change the size of the image, we can do so by changing the width and the height of the image itself. If we would like to make it bigger, we might go to 200, but be sure to change both so that the image stays in proportion, or we might make it smaller by going down to 50. To change the business name, you can simply just highlight the text and type in your business name. And if you want to customize the font, you can do so by scrolling back up on the right and changing the options for the text that you'd like to customize. For example, you might change the font weight to bold. You can choose whether the font is left, center, or right justified. You might change the margin and the padding. You can change the color of the background of the navigation bar itself, or make it transparent so that it shows the background of the page. You can independently change the background that's displayed on mobile if you choose, and under color will be the text color. You can choose the color of the text that you would like, and in this case, the links changed colors, but the business name did not, because we changed that text to bold. So that text will be under bold text color, and there are other color options that we might customize. To change what pages are linked and to update the links, at the top of the navigation menu on the right, we can see menu items. Here we see Home, About, Team, and Contact. To update the link to the home page, we'd click on the three dots to the right of Home, and we can update to a particular URL if it's outside of our website, or click Go to Page if it's inside of our website, and select the page that we would like it to go to. Then we can choose if we would like that link to open in a new tab or in the existing window, and click Submit. Because there's a link embedded under About, in this case, About is simply just the header, and if we click the three dots, we have the ability to rename it so that the text that's displayed is changed, and because it has Team embedded under it, if we click on Pages, then we get a pop-up where we see Team. If we click the three dots on Team, we have the ability to indicate where we want it to link to, or change the name of that item itself. And we can do the same with Contact. If we would like to delete one of these items, we can click on the three dots and click Delete, and we'll get a pop-up that asks if we're sure we want to delete, and if we click OK, the item will go away. But don't fear, if you accidentally delete something, or you'd like to add more options, you can click on Add Item, and the new menu will make it a new link, so we can name it and point to where it should go to, or we can add a mega menu that will pull up another version of a pop-up where, like the pop-up, we can customize what's in here. If you would like to embed one of these sections into another, you can click and drag until it's under the section you would like it to be under. For example, if we take privacy policy and drag it under About, we can see that privacy policy goes away, but now if we click About, we get both new menu, privacy policy, and team. Under the Advanced tab, we can change the settings of the menu or the mega menu or any submenus. So in this case, if we wanted to change the look and feel of the submenu, we would click on Submenu, where we can change the border color, the thickness of the border, the corner radius, if we would like to make the corners more rounded, the style, and like other elements, the shadow, whether it's visible on mobile or desktop or both, and the custom class. When you're finished setting up your navigation menu, be sure to save.